What is up, everybody? I am back again for day 2, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to do like a soft kind of glowy natural base makeup. I have it on right now. As you can see, it's super like subtle but cute and like still glam, but like not like full glam, you know. There's no contouring. It's super easy for beginners. If you want like a new makeup routine, this definitely should be your new makeup routine. It's really good, easy, and quick. I can do it pretty quickly. I literally got ready so freaking fast, like in like 20-30 minutes. If I wasn't talking, it would have been way faster. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and without talking too much, let's just get Hey guys, I hope we're having a fun and fabulous day today. We're gonna be doing a natural makeup look. I know what you guys are thinking. When has this girl ever done a natural makeup look? I'm thinking the same thing. Anyway, I really been liking like the natural with my lashes that look like caterpillars. I'm just kidding. But like my natural like fresh face look, because with my lashes I kind of like to have like that, like, you know, fresh, nice and fun and fresh look, because my lashes are the star of the show. But obviously you don't have to have lashes to do this or anything by any means. It's just my like what I would wear if I wasn't going out somewhere fancy. Like if I was going to the mall or like to school, which I don't really wear makeup to school anymore, but if I did, I would do this. Anywho, I first start off by eyebrows. So first I prime my face. I'm going to be using the Jecca Black Hydrating Primer. Also, I'm sorry if I'm talking weird. I have my retainer in right now. And then I'm going to use this Too Faced Primed Poreless. It's so bomb, guys. This primer, I have never had nothing bad happen to me while wearing this primer. So it's not just smoothing, it's a good luck charm. I'm just kidding. But not really. It's really, really good. Why does it feel like that? I put way too much. A little bit of love, and I put way too much. It's gonna slippery slide all over my face. Let's listen to some tunes. Okay, so for brows is a very personal, touchy subject for many people. So we're not gonna get into people's business, and we're gonna do our own brows. So basically for my brows, I'm zooming it in really quick. I don't fill them in when I do looks like this. I get this on a brow gel. You can use any brow gel you like. And basically I just brush them up and then over. It's pretty simple. Just brush them up. This eyebrow's a lot better. And bam, eyebrows are done. Concealer, I'm only gonna use a little teeny tiny bit because I really don't like scrubbing my eyelids to get off my concealer. So I got asked what brush I use to conceal my eyebrows. Honestly, it depends. And I grabbed the teeny tiniest bit amount and I conceal my eyebrows. Okay, so that's basically my eyebrows, and then after this I concealed them at the top with my foundation. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia foundation because it's really like natural coverage if you don't use a lot, which I really like because you can kind of like work with it. But I'm gonna be using this one in 200W to conceal the top of my eyebrows. Okay, so now that I'm done with that whole situation, it's foundation time. So for my foundation, that was pretty good save there. And just put that all over my face. I usually use like 2 pumps just so it's like natural. As you can see, it kind of just like, I have a lot of redness in my face, so it really helps to like even it out and kind of even out my skin tone. So yeah. So that's my application, and then I just pat everything in with this sponge. It gives me like a soft matte finish. If you guys have not tried a microfiber sponge, you guys need to get one. The Juno & Co one, which went viral on TikTok, is a microfiber sponge, but any microfiber sponge would really work the same. And this one is the Real Techniques one. My boyfriend got it for me, so I'm not sure where he got it from, but I'm pretty sure he got it from Ulta. But I also know that Target sells Real Techniques. I don't think I've ever seen this one at my Target, because I'm pretty sure I would have bought it if I knew it existed. So I don't think I've ever seen this one at my Target, but if you can find it at your Target, then go to Ulta. I also really like the Pretty Fresh. If you guys have not tried the ColourPop Pretty Fresh foundation, you guys really should, because it's super natural and super like medium to light coverage, and it looks super skin-like. Honestly, I feel like this one looks super skin-like as well though, so I really do like this one. And I haven't been using this one as often, so I wanted to, because I had just restocked on it, so I wanted to like use it up. Also, my forehead has like a lot of like patchiness right now because I had like a pimple right there, and my skin dried out from the acne medication that I put on it, and it's still dried out. But anyway, I'm gonna use the Born This Way concealer, and I kind of like do like this like whole triangle situation. And this one is in Chiffon 03, but then I get the Kylie Jenner one. I've been putting this one in the middle, and it's in Pearl. So I like a really bright under eye, as you can see. So if you don't want to put this much concealer, you don't have to. I kind of put a lot, but it's all fine. Like, everybody's natural is different, to be honest, and this is kind of like a natural glam type glowy look. I'm gonna use my Anastasia powder today. I really been liking the Beauty Bakery one and the Too Faced one, but I haven't used this one in a while, so I decided I'm gonna use it today because I remember really liking it. I'm just kind of running low, but I don't leave it for long. I'm already gonna just, after I'm done patting it in, I go back to the first eye that I did and I just take off the powder. So I kind of have like some messed up right there, but basically that's how I set my face. I just set my under eyes though, and then I'm gonna go in with my bronzer, and I feel like this gives me a really like nice flush of color when I do it like without doing my powder first. And I powdered in, obviously. If I rub it in, I feel like my foundation will come off, but this is a Fenty bronzer in the sun. It's super natural. I used the Marc Jacobs one the other day, and I realized how much more like full glam that one is. This one's super like natural and perfect for these types of looks, because it's not super like contour like. It's kind of just like bringing some warmth back into my face. And then for blush, I like to do more pinky shades. I feel like that kind of looks more like, I don't know, whatever like color you feel like looks more natural on you, or whatever you like. Shade and like a coral shade, it looks super like a nice natural flush of color, and I really like it. So that's what I'm gonna do today, just mix those two. And the two that I'm mixing, I didn't even tell you guys, it's pink powder and crush from Kylie Cosmetics. So then I just kind of put some on my nose to give that little like flirty look. Okay, that was kind of a lot, but you guys know what I mean. Yeah, some more powder right there. So now what I like to do is I like to set my smile lines, because so I'm gonna do to brighten my under eyes is just get this pressed powder from Too Faced. You can use any brightening powder. The e.l.f. one I heard works good, which I mean it does work good, but I don't know about brightening because it kind of didn't brighten my eyes too much, to be honest. Maybe it's just because I'm pale, but I just kind of cut out like where I would like bake and kind of just brighten the center of my face a little bit more. So to bring that like dewiness back into your skin, I'm gonna give you guys two options. These are like both, I think this one's like $10 and I think this one's like $12. So they're pretty affordable and they last me a long time. But that's the NYX Bare With Me. It's a prime, set, and refresh. And then this Pretty Fresh Color Pop is really good. I'm kind of nervous to like, I haven't put setting spray on my face like for a while because, or not for a while, but like when I first get my lashes done, and I just got my lashes done, so I'm kind of scared to put some on my face. But I'm gonna try blocking out my eyes as much as I can. I just didn't want to get that on my lashes because you're not supposed to wet them, even though it's not a lot. Still, like, I don't want to like mess with them or anything. But one that I found that really is like super similar to the way my lips look, it makes them look really like natural and rosy, is the ColourPop BFF. I use this to death. I have 3 of them and they all look like this. They're all so small. But recently I've been adding in the new Truffle from NYX, which is a little bit more brown, just to add a little bit more dimension. So I'm gonna do that. It is a pretty darker shade, but it's not super dark for my lips. I like to go in with this ColourPop BFF and kind of blend it in together and go over it, because it kind of like tones it down, but it adds a lot of dimension because I do overline my lips and I live for the dimension. When like school days or when I'm in a rush, I usually just put this ColourPop BFF, but like when I have time, I do like to really put a lot of effort into my lips because I feel like it's something I am insecure about, and I do like outline them a lot, so I kind of, you know, want to make them look good. I use so many different stuff for the middle. I use a different thing for the middle, but my lip liners usually always stay the same. But today I'm just going to use Dainty Days from NYX. NYX definitely kills it in the lip game, so make sure you guys check out NYX for lip liners. That's like lip liners I only get from Morphe, NYX, and ColourPop. That is my final look, guys. It's super like nice, and you could add highlight, but I don't really like adding highlight. I feel like my skin just looks really natural right now, and really, you know, soft, natural, but still like you have makeup on, so you're ready to go. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys try it. It's really universal. And like for your eyelashes, you can do eyelashes, you can do if you have eyelash extensions, you can do eyelashes, or you can do just mascara or curl them, whatever you like. But I feel like this like beat kind of goes with anything, so I really hope you guys enjoy, and I gave you guys some tips and tricks, and I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.